Designer Jean's Final Project by Magdalena De La O,
Lucy Larson,
and Farrah Wilson.
This is our organism. Its scientific name is Corallophanes lucens, and the generic name is Luminis snizzard. To the left, you see a picture of our beautiful organism.
Our environment and the habitat where our organism lives is in the deciduous forest. It has 4 seasons and for about 4 months is very cold, sometimes even below freezing. During the cold time, the trees lose their leaves and rains all year. In the spring is where the most rain is seen.
The physical features and systems of our organism. Our organism has cartilage in its tail and fin area at the end of its body. The main body has ribs, legs, skull, hands, and feet, all made of bone. The muscle support is found attached to the bones, allowing our organism to crawl, climb, and stabilize in its environment. The muscular system also allows our organism to do movements like running and swimming. Because of the support it has, it is able to run up to 35 miles per hour on land and 20 miles per hour in water.
Skin and external coverings. Our organism has scaly skin that is orange and bioluminescent. The bioluminescent skin is helpful for attracting prey. To the right, you see a picture, and this just shows how the bright colors of the scales will help attract prey and also with mating.
How our organism obtains food. Our organism is motile and can move to find food and escape predators. It moves by its 4 limbs and its tail/fin in the water. It has a flexible body and spine which allows it to swim, crawl, and move rapidly. When it's capturing food, it uses its bioluminescent skin that tricks the fish in the water to come closer. It also has efficient eyesight to spot movement from afar and in the water. Our organism has sharp teeth that can rip and crush other organisms apart. The digestion occurs inside the stomach with strong digestive acids and enzymes that help break down its food. During an indigestion, the prey is caught and swallowed whole or in large pieces. Then nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine and is distributed throughout the bloodstream for nutrients. Then it's excreted by the anus under the tail.
Defense mechanisms. The defense mechanism for our organism is its bioluminescent scales. They can be flashy and scare away potential predators when they are in the water. It also provides camouflage and fast burrowing, which helps it hide when it's being threatened. When it's detecting predators, it has large eyes and has highly sensitive hearing that can detect steps and movement when on land. Our organism is also fast in both of its environments and can have quick diving skills when it is being threatened. It also has a flexible body, so when it's being threatened, it can wedge itself into narrow rocks.
The developmental process. Our organism will have an egg stage where it will have a leathery shell, a larval stage where it is fully aquatic using gills with a smaller fin and no claws yet. The juvenile stage is where it develops its lungs, claws, and partial land abilities. The advantages are that the aquatic larva will be able to avoid several of the land predators, and the adults will have both land and water resources. The disadvantage is that the stage of metamorphosis can be vulnerable and eggs may be preyed on by aquatic insects or fishes. The pictures to the right demonstrate the egg and its metamorphosis stage.
Reproduction. The reproductive system and process includes sexual reproduction with males having blue eyes and females having purple eyes. This will serve as a sex marker during social interactions. During the early spring, the males will flash their bioluminescence skills, and patterns of courtship. Hopefully, the female will select males based on their brightness or scale pattern.
Respiratory and gas exchange. Our organism will have gills for underwater breathing. When it's on land, it will use its lungs and nostrils. Gas exchange will be able to occur through moist skin surfaces. For its circulatory system, it will be close to a multi-chambered heart. Oxygen will be carried from the blood and nutrients to tissues. For its waste removal, nitrogenous waste processed from the kidneys will be excreted as a semi-solid waste. Then, depending on our organism's location, it will eliminate carbon dioxide through the gills or lungs.
Behavioral responses. Our organism will be able to cope with its environment by burrowing during the cold seasons to conserve its energy. It will store fat in its tail for energy where there is no food in its proximity. The social behavior of our organism will mostly be solitary, except for during the season of breeding. It will also use bioluminescent pulses to communicate territory boundaries without the threat of physical fights. Those are the ways that our organism will thrive in its environment through behavioral responses. References.